Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you guys a highly effective combination of a face mask and a face cream. This combination helps in treating your skin pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, and it can also remove the suntan completely from your skin. This face mask and this beautiful face cream helps in skin brightening, skin lightening, skin tightening, anti-aging, as well as it makes your skin supremely bright, glowing, radiant and crystal clear. Both these home remedies have natural ingredients into it and works really well in making your skin completely flawless and crystal clear. So now let's firstly see how to prepare this dark spots and pigmentation removal face mask. And to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need gram flour, and here I'm taking almost 2 tablespoons of gram flour into a clean bowl. After that you're gonna need turmeric powder or haldi, and here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder into it. After adding the haldi, I'm just going to mix both these ingredients really well so that both these powder ingredients can combine with each other nicely. After that, we are going to need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. After that, we are going to use the most powerful ingredient of this home remedy, which is the potato juice. And to prepare this juice, we firstly going to need potatoes. So here I'm just taking these 3 small potatoes and just have to cut these potatoes into small pieces. Now after chopping these potatoes, now I'm just going to put them into a grinding jar. After that we are going to use rose water, but if you don't want to use the rose water, you can also use the normal water. And here I'm adding a little bit of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, now we have to just grind it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And after grinding the potato, your potato paste will look something like this. It should be of really smooth and fine consistency like I'm showing you in the video. So now we have to take out the potato juice from it, and for that I'm using a strainer, and with the help of this strainer I'm just going to squeeze out all the potato juice out of this potato paste. And after squeezing all the potato juice out of this potato paste, your homemade potato juice is ready, and we just have to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of this potato juice into that mixture. And after adding the potato juice, I'm just going to mix everything really well to make a smooth paste. And now lastly, we are going to need curd or yogurt, and here I'm adding almost 2 teaspoons of curd or yogurt into it. And after adding the curd, just mix all these ingredients really well to make a smooth paste. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade face mask is ready, and it will look something like this. This face mask will treat all your skin problems like skin pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, pimple marks, and as well as it will also make your skin really lighter, whiter and tighter. So this face mask is best for all skin types and will make your skin bright, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So now let me tell you how to use this face mask for best results. So you can apply this face mask with the help of a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face mask. So here I'm just using a face brush to apply a thick layer of this face mask all over my face and neck, and you can obviously use this face mask all over your body as well. And after applying a thick and even layer of this face mask, just leave it to dry completely for about 15 to 20 minutes, and once it dried completely, just rinse it off using normal water and then powder and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you should use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. And now let's move on to the second home remedy, which is this pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars as well as suntan removal face cream. And to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need turmeric powder, and here I'm taking 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need rose water, and here I'm adding approx 1 tablespoon of rose water into it. And now after adding the rose water, I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients so that they makes a runny paste. And after that, I'm going to strain this paste so that it can remove all the lumps or the grains which it has. And here I'm just straining it with the help of a strainer. And once it's nicely strained, you will get this really fine turmeric paste. So you just have to take approx 1 teaspoon of this turmeric paste in a clean bowl. And next up, you're gonna need glycerin. And here I'm adding approx 1/2 teaspoon of glycerin in it. After that, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding approx 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding the vitamin E oil, I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients so that they mix with each other well. And now lastly, you're gonna need aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, I'm just mixing all the ingredients again very nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a lump-free cream. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade turmeric cream is ready and it will look something like this. This cream is really effective in removing your dark spots, acne scars, suntan and the pimple marks which you have on your skin. This cream is homemade and has all the natural ingredients in it, so it doesn't have any side effects. This cream will really brighten and lighten your skin tone and will make your skin really bright, glowing, even tone and pimple and acne scars free. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for best results. So you can store this cream in any airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream into this small glass container, and you can use any glass or airtight container to store this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream onto your fingertips and gently apply it all over your skin. Just massage this cream onto your skin so that this cream completely absorbs into your skin. And after gentle application of this cream, just leave it like that overnight. And for the best results, you have to use this cream as a night cream. Just use it daily before going to bed. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.